Welcome to Clifton. Today behind me we have a fantastic 4-bedroom detached home which sits on the popular story site of Jacobite Gardens in the desirable village of Clifton. Now this home is beautifully presented throughout with some great additions such as solar panels, an extended driveway which is suitable for a number of vehicles, and lovely large gardens to the rear. And this home is presented to an immaculate standard. It's absolutely beautiful and ready to move into. So what I'm going to do is show you the street scene first of all, and show you where we sit on this fantastic development. Then I'm going to take you around this wonderful home. So this is number 16 Jacobite Gardens. As you can see here, we've got a really imposing and fantastic detached property here with an integral garage. This road here takes us into the village where we've got the popular George and Dragon pub, we've got a local primary school, we've got links to Penrith, to Shap, to the M6. We're not far from anywhere in Clifton. And this road here takes us up to the rest of the development, which is a cul-de-sac. So there's a little bit of a turning circle here and just access up to another handful of properties. There's walks on the doorstep here as well, so you can walk out and you can be in the open countryside within just a few seconds. So the home itself, as I said at the start of the video, has got an extended patio area, so it's got parking here for probably 2 or 3 vehicles, but then on the other side there's probably another space for another couple, and you've got a lovely lawned area just to the front here. We've also got a path round to the rear garden which we'll see in a few moments, but as you can see as we go in, first impressions are fantastic of this home, and this is not going to disappoint you when we go inside internally. So the first part we're going to see when we come in, just take my shoes off, is this full ceiling height vaulted hallway which has got a lovely staircase leading up to the first floor, and a really spacious and open hallway here to invite guests into. It's like a room in itself. It's got plenty of storage space as well. It's got a storage cupboard under the stairs and light streaming in through this Velux window and through a window to the side. There's also just to the right hand side here a downstairs loo, as you can see there. And then we've got 2 reception spaces. So the first is to the left, which is this fantastic lounge. Now this has got a feature fireplace in here. You've got plenty of space for large pieces of furniture, and we've got a lovely view looking out over the garden to the rest of the development, but a really great size and well proportioned lounge, and as you can see, beautifully presented and completely ready to move into. Then completing the ground floor is this incredible space. Now this is really the heart of the home. We've got a kitchen here which is fitted with a range of cream gloss units with a complementary work surface. You've got a gas hob, you've got integrated appliances. We've also here got a doorway which takes us into the integral garage. But as I pan around, this room really opens up into a sociable space. There's a dining room area in the middle with bifold doors that lead out to the garden. Those and most of the windows in this property have got fully fitted blinds as well that fit into the double glazing, making this home a really private if you want it to be, or shelter it from the sun, or just as a blackout. But there on most of the bedroom, on most of the windows here, so I'll put my teeth in. So this is the dining area, and then it extends right across to a lounge area, and again you've got French doors that go out into the garden, ample space for some large pieces of furniture, so a really sociable family space. So a lounge, dining, kitchen, and none of these 3 parts feel very small. They all feel nice and spacious. You can just imagine living in this room but also retreating to the lounge as a more cozy space in the evening. These doors, the bifold doors and the French doors, can be opened up into the garden space, which we'll go out of in a few minutes, but I wanted to show you upstairs first because downstairs we've got such fantastic space here. And as we go up the stairs, you'll see that we've got plenty of room up here as well. So the staircase goes up to a sort of a mezzanine level landing, looking back down over the hallway. And then from here, we've got 4 bedrooms and the family bathroom. We'll do it in a sort of a circular motion. So this is the smallest of the rooms. We've got a dormer style window and we're currently sat above the garage, but a nice alcove there. This is perfect if you wanted a study or a nursery, or as it is here, just a single children's bedroom. It works really well. The second bedroom is a good sized double room. Again, it's just got a single bed in here, but there is plenty of room here to have a double room and some furniture. And these windows to the rear look out over the garden. Then we have the family bathroom, which is beautifully presented. You've got a nice range of tiles, you've got a shower over the bath and a walk-in shower and a nice modern vanity unit there. So this is a really stylish family bathroom. We've got a storage cupboard just to the right hand side, and then we've got the third bedroom, which is another great size room. Double room here, and perhaps it's worth just looking out of the window here down onto the garden space. Going to go out there in a few minutes, but a really good size third bedroom. So we've got 3 great bedrooms, and then finally we've got the master bedroom, which is fitted with a range of wardrobes to the left hand side. We've got lots of space in here, and you'll notice as we go through we've got these lovely oak doors that go right the way through this home, so it's been completed to a really high standard. And this room here looks out down towards the front of the development to the parking area. But it's also got the benefit of an ensuite shower room as well, which again, nice wall mounted vanity unit, a walk-in shower, and everything's really complementary. So the ensuite matches the bathroom, and everything here is really timeless and beautifully presented. So we've got a great size 4-bedroom detached home with an integral garage sitting in a large plot with lots of parking. The next part of the video is just to show you the garden space, again, which is very proportionate to the size of the home. So I'm just going to put my shoes on and I'll meet you at the back door and we'll show you that garden space. So just coming from the kitchen, we're going to go out of these bifold doors here onto the garden. So you can come out of this in two ways, from the kitchen door here or from the French doors from the lounge area of the kitchen. But what a substantial size garden. We've got a double latted bordered fence, so there's a very, very private, nice area of lawn. To the right hand side here, we've got a little sheltered spot here, so that's perfect perhaps to put your washing out, maybe a recycling area. It's a nice private corner section with a path round to that parking area which was extended, and a nice area of patio here. We've also got the benefit of a couple of sheds there. Now they may be available by separate negotiation, but if you can see, we've got hard standing there, so if you wanted to put your own sort of buildings on there, then there is possibility to do so. And then coming round here, we've got a path which takes us back round to the front of the property, where you can see we've got the lawned garden here and a nice number of flower beds as well. So a great size garden. You've got everything in proportion here. We've got a garden which fits the size of the home. We've got a garage, we've got lots of parking, and a really beautiful property presented to an incredibly high standard. So as you've seen as we've gone around this fantastic home, it's absolutely beautiful. It sits within a popular residential area of Clifton and has got easy access links to walks, to local schools, to the village pub. There's lots of opportunity here in a really family orientated development, which has got some great green spaces with a central tree towards the front of the development and a lovely pond area. So if you're looking for a home and this ticks some of your boxes, please do give us a call on 01768 88 1111, and we'd be more than happy to give you some information.